In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Simplified Layout Mode on Slack. If you've ever felt that your Slack message view is a bit busy or visually overwhelming, this quick setting can make conversations easier to scan and more comfortable to read, especially if you prefer a cleaner look or use assistive technologies. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack, then press Enter. Click the official Slack website result to open Slack in your browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your workspace right away. Otherwise, complete any sign-in prompts so you're looking at your channels and messages. Once Slack is open, move your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. Click your profile picture or name to open the Account menu. From this menu, select Preferences. This is where Slack keeps all your personal settings. As a quick tip, you can also open Preferences using the keyboard shortcut command +, on Mac or Control +, on Windows if you like doing things a bit faster. Inside Preferences, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Accessibility. This section focuses on options that can reduce visual clutter, support screen readers, and make navigation smoother. It's a great place to customize Slack so it feels more comfortable for your eyes and your workflow. In the Accessibility area, find the option labeled Simplified Layout Mode. You'll see a brief description explaining that it streamlines the message view and reduces visual noise. This is exactly what we want. When you're ready, click Turn On or toggle the switch to enable it. You should notice the change right away. Messages will appear in a cleaner, more straightforward layout, with fewer extra visual elements competing for your attention. This helps you focus on the content of conversations and can make long threads easier to follow. Don't worry, this adjustment affects only your view, not anyone else's in the workspace. If you try it and decide it's not for you, you can come back to the same accessibility section and turn it off at any time. Your other Slack settings, like themes or notification preferences, remain untouched, and your channel list and sidebar will still work as usual. That's it. You went to Slack, opened your profile menu, chose Preferences, clicked Accessibility, found Simplified Layout Mode, and turned it on. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more focused Slack experience.